ICM AP Psych Project by Eliza, Madeline, Catherine, and Nikita. Hypothesis: if the teams practice for more hours, then the more wins they will have.
A correlational study expresses a relationship between two variables and how well one factor predicts the other. The advantages is that it enables predictions, it's time effective, it's inexpensive, and it can be more ethical than other experiments. Disadvantages are that it does not show cause-effect because of direction of relationships is unknown. It cannot assess impact of other factors, and it could give impressions of a relationship when there's not one. The confounding variables are that some of the athletes may have more talent, which would improve the team's record. Some athletes practice more outside of school to improve their performance, which is not factored in team practices.
The first team that we decided to interview was soccer, and they practiced for 2 hours every day after school, and their record was 21 wins, 1 tie, and 1 loss.
The next team we decided to interview was tennis. They have 1 to 2 hours of practice per day, and their record was 18 wins with 0 losses.
Our final team was swimming. They practiced 1 hour every day, and they had 11 wins and 3 losses. For our math for practice time, we found that the mean was 1.5 hours, the median was 1.5 hours, and the mode was none. The variance was 0.5, and the standard deviation was 0.7. For wins, we found that the mean was 16.6, the median was 18, and the mode was nothing. For variance, we found that it was 17.56, and standard deviation was 4.19. For losses, the mean was 1.3, the median was 1, and the mode was none. The variance was 4.16, and the standard deviation was 2.16. For ties, the mean was 0.3, the median was 0, and the mode was 0. The variance was 0.67, and the standard deviation was 0.81.
And this is our graph for the wins after we calculated everything. This is our graph for the ties after all the calculations. This is the graph for the practice time. And this is our graph for the losses.
In the end, correlation does not equal causation.